Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to use a one-time password for mobile hotspot on Samsung Galaxy A34. So I will show you how to navigate to mobile hotspot and what do you need to check there. So what you can do is pull down, and here you see mobile hotspot. You can long press on this mobile hotspot and you are now in mobile hotspot settings. You need to turn it on. Okay, I will turn off Wi-Fi. This is my network name, this is my password, and what you need to do here is check this one-time password. When you do that, open one-time password, click on it, and you can see this is the one-time password. So you can give someone this password, he will connect to your mobile hotspot, and the next time you turn off and turn on mobile hotspot, he won't be able to connect anymore. You can send him screenshot or show him this password, but what you can also do is click this QR code here at the bottom, and you can share him this image of QR code. So what he need to do is just scan this QR code, and he will not then connect to your mobile hotspot again with one time only. So if you want to remove that user from your mobile hotspot, what you can do is just close one time password or reset it to something else. And basically that's it for this quick video. This is all you need to do. You can also open settings and then click connections and then mobile hotspot, and one more time mobile hotspot. But what I showed you at the beginning, this is the quicker way to get to these particular settings. So long press here on mobile hotspot. That's it for this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.